Please make sure the components and tools you received match the user manual. Basic video of how Minifix connector works. Follow this throughout. This is nylon socket. Place the nylon socket in its respective place and knock it with the soft hammer. This is the Minifix screw. Fix the Minifix screws in their respective nylon socket with the help of given screwdriver. This is the Minifix housing. Make sure the Minifix housing is perfectly mounted in its hole. The arrow in the Minifix housing must be facing the hole in the side of the board. Place the wooden dowel in the hole opposite to the Minifix housing and knock it using the soft hammer. Now while fixing, make sure the Minifix screw is perfectly mounted. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. This is the difference between Minifix screw is unlocked and locked. Pick board 1 and attach boards 2, ensuring the dowels and Minifix screws are perfectly inserted in their holes. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Then, attach boards 3, ensuring the dowels and the Minifix screws are perfectly inserted in their holes. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Pick board 4 and place it flat on 2 and 3 boards, ensuring the dowels are perfectly inserted in their holes. Tighten board 4 with the given screws using screwdriver. Insert the screws into the bushes and position them in board 4's designated spot. Attach the bushes with the given screws using screwdriver to board 4. Carefully turn the unit upright. Your product is ready to use.